Good morning.
Before we begin, just a couple of housekeeping notes. So I'm new to YouTube. I don't necessarily understand how it all works, but someone recently told me, and I think this is important for you guys, that in order for you to access all of my videos, you have to be a subscriber. So if you want to hit subscribe after this video, then you can access the whole month of meditation, and of course the subscription is free. So I wanted to mention that because today we're doing day 3 of Dr. William Tuttle's meditation. So if this isn't the kind of thing that is resonating with you and you'd prefer to do another meditation, then go back and maybe pick a day from this month that you liked. There's no reason why you have to do every single day with me. You could go back and do one that really resonated with you. And maybe you're already doing that, but I just wanted to mention it. Also, before I begin, so today we're doing part 4 of that 8-part meditation, and we're only going to do part 4 because this is another long one, kind of like intuition. So just as a reminder, it's intuition, harmonious relationships, world peace, animal relations, earth healing, radiant health, abundance, and joy and gratitude. So we've already ticked off developing intuition, harmonious relationships, and world peace. And today will be animal relations. And you may remember that I told you that he's the author of the, what's it called, the World Health Diet. So he is a very big believer in not eating animals. So if this is something that could make you feel uncomfortable, I know for some of you it might. Maybe today is a day that you listen along and just maybe be a little bit more open to it and not have a sense of guilt associated with this. It's just an idea, it's a thought. In yoga, one of the tenets is ahimsa, or nonviolence. So that's why a lot of yogis employ a vegetarian or a vegan diet, but it's not for everybody. And I'm not here to preach. I just am here to guide you in a meditation, and this one happens to be about animal relations. So, all right, let's begin. We'll take a shoulder roll, we'll sit up tall, and after all that chatter, let's just sit for a moment in silence. While I'm reading to you this morning, sit up tall but not rigid. Drop your shoulders, lengthen your neck. Unhinge your jaw, let your mouth open slightly. Soften your temples, soften your forehead. Let your hands relax comfortably in your lap. And breathe in and out through your nose. And try to slow down the breathing, if you will. So, not holding the breath at all, but lengthening the exhale, lengthening the inhale, and just enjoying some beautiful deep breaths. as I begin our reading on animal relations. I open my heart to the non-human animals of this earth and to the wondrous beauty of their celebration of life in countless ways here, and to their magnificent contribution to the richness of life on this planet. I give thanks for all the animals on earth, knowing that they are manifestations of the loving source of all life, and that each and all are the subjects of their lives with feelings and awareness and with yearnings to fulfill their particular purposes. I am grateful for the magnificent variety of animals with whom we share this earth, and rejoice in the profusion of their beauty, in their innocence, and in their noble qualities. I call to mind all the different birds flitting through the branches of trees, soaring in the skies, and diving into the waters. All the songbirds, the orioles, the cardinals, bluebirds, chickadees, robins, swallows, finches, catbirds, woodpeckers, wrens, the hummingbirds, the hawks, the starlings, grackles, kestrels, crows, quail, owls, turkeys, vultures, partridges, doves, and ospreys. The magnificent tropical birds, parrots and macaws, toucans and chickens and cockatiels and parakeets, the water birds, herons, egrets, ducks, geese, coots, loons, swans, gulls, albatrosses, penguins, the great land birds, ostriches and emus, kiwis, and now, with my consciousness, I embrace and give thanks for all the birds, with their unique contributions to the living web of life, celebrating their lives with gusto, grace, and immense beauty. I open now to awareness of all the aquatic animals, the thousands of species of fishes swimming in oceans, lakes, streams and rivers, and inhabiting the coral reefs in a boundless display of color, intelligence, and life. Clownfish, angelfish, parrotfish, grouper, cod, mackerel, and the various tuna fish leaping magnificently. Sharks, swordfish, halibut and flounder, bass, trout, catfish, pike and perch, tilapia, sturgeon, barracuda, as well as the eels, clams, oysters, lobsters, crabs, rays, shrimp, and krill. I give thanks for this vast celebration of aquatic life, and for all the dolphins, orcas, and whales, the seals, walruses, sea lions, manatees, octopi, sea turtles, and the whole magnificent profusion of animals celebrating their lives in the sea and in the waters of our earth. I turn now and open my mind and heart to awareness of all the mammals on land. Rabbits and squirrels, deer and bison, elk, foxes, wolves, skunks, raccoons, beavers, bears, otters, minks, chipmunks, mice, horses, camels, dogs, cats, cows, donkeys, sheep, goats, and pigs, elephants, giraffes, impalas, hyenas, kangaroos and koalas, moose, coyotes, antelope and elk, wildebeest, lions, monkeys, gorillas, and all the other animals, frogs and snakes, toads, lizards, turtles, salamanders and newts, and all the various insects, tens of thousands of species, caterpillars, butterflies, moths, dragonflies, bees, ants, spiders, flies, roaches, mosquitoes, worms, ticks, beetles, ladybugs, grasshoppers, fireflies, cicadas, water striders, a boundless living symphony, bringing awareness, movement, and complex, intelligent, and celebratory communities to every part of our exquisite earth. I give thanks for every strand in this living web, for every species with its unique culture and its purpose to fulfill, and the ecological wisdom and the joyful celebration of the larger whole of which it is a part. And I give thanks for every individual being, each with his or her unique awareness and desire to fulfill his or her purpose. Now I allow one individual non-human animal to come to mind. This animal may be a companion animal, or a free living animal, or an animal that is imprisoned for food or products, entertainment, or research. I look into her or his eyes, and as I behold the being before me, I open to all of his or her qualities of awareness, dedication, innocence, caring, and intelligence. I send my love and blessing to this one animal, and through her or him, to all the animals of this earth. I send my commitment to honor and respect them and treat them with kindness. I recognize their innate sovereignty and freedom and the meaning and significance of their lives. And I rejoice that they are able to live freely in nature, in the healthy habitats and niches where they belong, free from human interference. I thank all non-human animals for the beauty, richness, and life they bring to our earth, and feel within my heart the yearning to awaken to a deeper understanding of my right relationship with them, and to remember the long-lost language of the heart that we share with them. I envision the beautiful possibilities of our earth, free of human predation, violence, enslavement of other animals, where we can commune together, learn, share, grow, cooperate, and celebrate our lives together, free forever from the dark illusion that we would ever own another sovereign being as property. I rejoice knowing that this is an ever-present possibility, and that it is my true nature of wisdom and compassion to live and work to help make this day possible, and that in fact it is reachable and indeed inevitable. I send my heartfelt love and blessings to all animals of this earth, and apologize for my transgressions against them. I apologize for humanity's ongoing transgressions against them. I thank them for their patience, forgiveness, and loving kindness, and vow to ever more fully live a life of kindness, tenderness, mercy, and compassion toward all living beings, even the most weak and vulnerable, and to refrain from eating, wearing, or using them in any way, and to do my best to help others also to live with kindness and mercy. I bless and salute our fellow passengers on this earth and send them all my deepest love and appreciation. I realize that as I awaken to the truth that I am, I see that no animal is ever dangerous or harmful to me or to anyone. All are unique and beautiful expressions of the loving source of all life, contributing their roles in the precious and ongoing unfoldment of life here on this amazing planet we call our earth. I give thanks, knowing this is so, and so it is. Gently begin to bring your hands together at heart center. Take a moment to bow into that place within you, that ahimsa, that non-violence, that place of compassion and peace. Bow. And maybe create an intention for the rest of the day. And be sure to practice self-love on whatever form that may take today. Let's lift our face and lift our gaze. Namaste. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.